Hi, today I got a new topic about the health and fitness. This is all about how we can prioritize our own health and fitness in our general life. I will tell you a case which happened a few days back. There is some online conversation was happening with one of the person, and she has told me that she cannot prioritize or she cannot manage the time for her body. And post that I asked her that what exactly you are doing whole day and how's your schedule, so we can find out some scopes to for the exercise, for to have the right food and good sleep and all. So she told me like I am not getting the time. It is very simple. Uh, I find the same thing what she is doing right now. These are all our body is doing it. Okay, and everyone awake in the morning. We are doing all our daily work. We are working for our office. We might be cooking the food. We might be taking care of the kids. We are maybe going for a ride. We are driving. We are drinking. We are having the food. These all things are definitely there. Okay, now if our body is cooperating with us for these all things, then how much you cooperating with your own body to deliver the best? Because definitely if you see, there isn't some or the other problem in your 30s or 40s you are struggling with. That might be very simple thing, you are not feeling sleepy. Second thing is there is many of the aches and pains coming in your body. Third thing, your might be dehydrating. Fourth thing, your metabolism going down and getting many of the disorders related to your metabolism. Okay, so if this kind of all disorders coming in your body, then what will be happen with that? Will you live quality? And if you cannot live quality, then can you deliver the best in your office, at your home, with your kids? I asked him same question to that particular lady, and she told me, no, you are correct, I cannot do it. So there is an 24 hours everyone we have it. Okay, I do have 24 hours. Someone else also having the 24 hours. If someone driving the bus, he's also having 24 hours, and someone CEO of the corporate company, same hours that person is having. So instead of giving up and finding out the excuses why you are not focusing on your reasons, and there is a very strong reason here, is if you want to keep all the body functions really well, this is called the wellness, then you have to do something for your body. It is kind of a take and give relationships. Okay, so if you wanted to live quality, then you have to give something qualitative to your body. Now, if you understand, many of the people having the information, yes, I had to do the exercise, I had to follow a proper nutrition, and I had to sleep 7 hours and all. But do you know, every cell in your body required the movement, required the mobility. Do your whole body having the mobility? Is your blood circulation really well? Is your metabolism really going well? Is your all joints are working really well without any aches and pains? So these all are the basic things in the mobility. Exercise is very far apart. Exercise is the program. It's not just an mobility. You have to focus on the mobility at the starting stage. The second thing is the recovery. We are having the food for three reasons, okay? Or we normally having three types of food. One, which is giving us the taste. Second, which is fill up our hunger, fill up our stomach. Third, which is nurturing, which is strengthening our body. So you think, what type of food do you have it on daily basis or most of the time? There is an answer, you will get it here itself, and because of that you are getting many of the disorders or many of the injuries inside, outside. Sometimes you can see, sometimes you cannot see. So these are all things coming in. The third thing is the sleep. Rest. What is rest? After a long drive or after certain kilometers, your car need to be rest. Car need to be stopped somewhere. If some machine is working, some television is working in your house, then that has to be stopped somewhere. Your computer, very simple example. Your mobile, you have to reset or you have to upgrade the program. The sleep is for that. Your body not just need the rest, but that body has to upgrade yourself. The next day you should have a more high energy. Next day you have the meeting. So it's important meeting, or you are going to face the interview, or you have the marriage, or you have some event, you have to go for the trek. Then your body has to upgrade that much. So sleep is needed. If you not sleep, what will be happen? You cannot perform. You will perform below average on that particular day. You see it. Many of the people getting the disorders because of lacking in the mobility, lacking in the recovery, and lacking in the sleep. And past one decade, if you see it, there is many of the disorders coming because of lacking in this three. You are not sleeping, that means your body is not resting. Awaking, mobile, watching, you are working on the computer for your work, completing your projects. You are working for 12 hours without any thinking. You are hardly having some food, or you are just having some ready to make food, which is giving you not just metabolic disorders, as well as there are other organs, your brain, heart, lungs. You are getting infected very easily, even you are at home. The third, mobility. There are many aches, pains happening. There are injuries quite easily. You are not recovering for the injuries. You have to take the medicines to recovery from the injury. Why? This all things happening because lacking, you are not optimistic in all these three. So if you wanted to live quality, we cannot measure the quantity, but now some of the research says that a human being can live easily 80 to 90 years from here on. So if you are going to live for 80 to 90 years, then after age of 60 or after age of 50, how do you want it to live? Are you lying on the bed? Or you wanted to live like a gem, a strong person, a healthier person? You can work till 50 or you can work till 55 in current scenario. If you live quality, then is it going to work on your quantity as well? If you start working on your body, if you start making your body stronger, then what will be happen after 55? Those 35 years, you are going to lie quality, right? So the upcoming things, think about next 30 years which is remaining, 40 years which is remaining in your life. Not just thinking about now. And if you are thinking about now itself, that I'm not having the time, I will do after my retirement, I will do after my project completion, you are making a biggest mistake. Because you are getting habituated being same, being sedentary, being fatty, being obese, and you require the results very quickly. You are expecting the results very quickly. That high-speed car, ready-to-eat food, high-speed computers. So these all giving us the fastest results, but do not expect the fastest results from your body. Do not ever try to get the fastest results from your body. You need to show the commitment to your body, because you are expecting from the machines something fastest results. Your car, mobile, any food preparation machines are something the machines which can give you the fastest results, but not your body. Your body can give you the fastest results, but as well as there are many of the fastest disorders and diseases. You are going to prone to the low quality life, many of the disorders coming in your body. So if you are ready for that, then try it like a machine. Understand, your body is the part of the nature, it's not a machine. So if you really wanted to work onto it, set yourself that okay, next whatever my life remaining, I will be consistent onto this three basic part. My 7 hours sleep, I'm going to recover my body really well, having my food on time, exceptionally sometime okay. I'm going to do some mobility trainings, some exercises, some adventurous activities. These are the stages. I'm going to play some sports. Many of the people going for these sports, but they are not taking care about your basic fitness. So you have to go through these stages. Okay, so this is not just a time. Okay, you are leaving the resource out from your hand. This every second, every 1 minute, every single day, every week, every month, every upcoming year, every upcoming decade is making you older, making you weaker, making you uh, like prone to the death, making you low quality live with you, low quality life. So these are all the things coming in. You can reverse these things with only your mind. You set up yourself, take the help externally to gain the program, to have the program, work on that program. Keep it in mind that 3 months, 6 months, 12 months is not enough. You have to be consistent for that. These are the periods are just a basic things. So this is all about the priorities. This is all about the time management. You just required say 30 minutes in a day for your mobility. You required maximum 2 hours to eat the food. Having good nutritious food, just 2 hours are enough. Okay, 7 hours will be going in your sleep. Okay, so if you leave these all things, then also you get remain with 12 hours in your hand. You have to be a best time manager. That's all.